Lady D, and I'm back with another mukbang. I got a mukbang review today, y'all. It's a breakfast review cereal. We have Cap'n Crunch, Halloween Crunch. It said ghost turned to milk green. So we're going to see if that's the truth, and we're going to see how this tastes. I want to know if my milk turns green, and I want to see if these taste anything like the original Cap'n Crunch, because I like Cap'n Crunch, y'all. I got these at Ollie's. Y'all know I like trying new stuff I ain't never had before. How is everybody doing today? I am doing well. Thank you so much for asking. I'm not going to pour too many. So I don't know how many I can eat. Okay, and we got like original Cap'n Crunches in here that we used to. And we got some little red ghosts looking like crunch berries, but they shaped like ghosts. And we're going to see if they turn the milk green, y'all. Okay, I got some ghosts, y'all. I didn't see this one. Let me see if I can show you one before it get, well, they all wet. No, this one dry. This ghost right here has little flecks in it, like little green and blue. So maybe those are what's going to turn my milk green. And I don't know where they got green from for Halloween, but whatever. You should have had something that turn your milk orange or black. If you want black milk, I don't know. But I guess if you wanted green, what's the difference? You can have black or whatever. And it is turning green, y'all. Look, can you see it through the bowl? I should hope you can see it. And that's what it tastes like, Cap'n Crunch berries. It's good. You have to try to eat them before they get too soggy. It's good, y'all. Well, how is everybody doing on this Halloween Sunday? Like I said, I am doing well. Thank you so much for asking. Getting late. I have to have already had done this video, but you know how it is when you get busy. Can you see my green milk? No, you see it, it's getting darker. Okay. I better get this video done since today is Halloween. I better get this done today. Like I said, I got these at Ollie's. just in case you want to try them. And they may be getting them in a normal grocery store. I'm not sure. I just know I'll be on the hunt for different stuff. And if you know me, you already know. They are good, y'all. Like I said, it tastes like crunch berries. But no, this is not gonna be a long video, or it's not a long video. As a matter of fact, I'm almost finished. I don't think it say nothing else exciting. It just said limited edition. That's all. I got a couple of mazes and questions, things for you to do on the back of the box. No prizes. As a matter of fact, I don't think they even put prizes in cereal anymore, do they? I'm not sure. Got a bunch of boxes of cereal at home, but I'm gonna have to check some of them and see. I don't think so. If you know if they do, leave it in the comments and let me know. Do they still put prizes in cereal boxes? I'm not sure. And also let me know what you're doing on this Halloween Sunday. Leave that in the comment as well. And all I got left is that green milk, y'all. I don't know. I haven't decided if I'm going to drink this milk or not. But I'm going to end this video here. I'd like to thank you so much for watching, checking on me, seeing what I'm doing today. And I'll probably be back with you with 1 or 2 more videos before this day is over. I'm not sure yet. But if you're interested, please come back and check those out. And if you're not already a member of the family, make sure you subscribe at this time. Hit that notification bell marked all so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. Return to the channel often. And until the next time, remember you're always welcome here at Lady D's, where you'll never leave here hungry. Have a great day. Happy Halloween. Bye-bye.